Good morning, and in this video we'll take a look at Ethereum. We'll take a quick look at whether a bullish breakout right now is actually possible, which is what I predicted 2 days ago. We'll take a look at that, but apart from that, we'll also just look at all the technicals you need to know about and all the fundamentals. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, good morning. Hope you all had a great weekend, and hope you're all having a great start of this week, this Monday. Crypto definitely is having a great start. And you can see that throughout the entire market. Ethereum is up 3%, but we have to be honest. I mean, right now, and I have rarely said this in the last few months, but right now Bitcoin is actually stronger than Ethereum, like on the very short term, because Bitcoin is actually broken above 17,000 very well. We had already done that, but right now we're like the highest we've been in like, I'm not sure, like the last month. Well, no, not the last month, because then that was still before FTX, but the highest we've been ever since everything settled after FTX, right? So that is what's been going on. And Ethereum, what you can see on the chart is that we're just back at the same resistance level we were at earlier at around 1300, which is, I mean, we have to be honest, it's a very strong resistance level. So it's going to be tough to break through that. However, I do think that's going to happen, and for that I wanted to take a look at a number of things. First of all, what I always like to do is just take a look at the volume of Ethereum, which is still arguably very low at 5 billion. I mean, if you compare that over the last 3 months, you can see that in September and October and November, volume was always higher. So the volume has definitely taken a hit throughout the entire crypto market, by the way. But yeah, I mean, that's something you should know. But apart from that, basically what's happening in the market is that the bearish fundamentals we've had over the last month, they are kind of cooling down, kind of, not completely gone yet, and there's still some risks for potential bankruptcies of other big crypto lender companies and stuff. So that's still going on, but the economic fundamentals right now are great for Ethereum. And the thing with that is that, well, obviously we already saw last month that inflation rates were lower than expected, and then what you also get right now is that I believe next week, not this week, but next week, we're getting an interest rate from the Federal Reserve in the US again, which is going up by a little bit less. Used to go up by 0.75%, now up with 0.5%. So that's great. If the monetary policy gets a little bit less hawkish and a little bit more dovish, which are some central bank terms. If you want to know more about that, just comment that and I'll explain it a little bit more, but it might be too hard to explain for now. But all that together and given the technicals as well, I mean, in the end, what you can see is that we have a very bullish market structure as well. We're holding our support levels. And even though we dropped down quite hard 2 days ago, we still recovered quite well. We broke above the 200 EMA, that gold line again, and now we're testing 1300. Bitcoin has already had a bullish breakout, so it's only logical that I expect Ethereum to break above our main resistance at 1300 as well. Now we might drop down a little bit more. We might drop down to 1275, might even drop down to 1265. But yeah, in my opinion, it's a matter of time before we do break above 1300, after which we will probably get up to 1340 and 1360, which is again a very strong resistance level. So I don't think we'll break above that, but at least then we have solidified a more bullish market structure, which for both the short term and the long term is bullish for crypto and Ethereum. So that's my opinion on what's going to happen with Ethereum today and in the next couple of days. I'll be back with another analysis in 2 days, but until then, I want to wish you all a great week. Take care, thanks for watching, and bye.